Gifting is a proven and efficient tool for achieving two goals simultaneously: reducing your inheritance tax liability and supporting the needs of your children or grandchildren maybe. But for many people are concerned about giving away their money to grandchildren, which stops them taking advantage of the gifting allowances. I come across people who are worried that their grandchildren will squander the money or waste the money if they gift it now, as they would have no control over how it is spent. Others are concerned that they might need the money at a later date if their circumstances change. Maybe they've got to pay for care. But what if you knew you could afford to give some of your money away now and there was a way to protect it for your grandchild's own retirement? By giving just £2,880 away each year until their 18th birthday, you could make your grandchild a millionaire by the time they reach retirement age. As your gift will be an annual gift, you can use the normal expenditure out of income exemption if you've got surplus income, of course, which means that £2,880 will be out of your estate immediately and not subject to the 7-year rule. So that's great for inheritance tax planning if you want to reduce your liability by making the use of exemptions and allowances. The trick is to make use of a Junior SIPP. SIPP stands for Self-Invested Personal Pension. The parents of a child under 18 can set up a pension for them. Then, as their grandparent, you can contribute into that pension. Currently, the rules state that £2,880 can be put into a Junior SIPP each year, which will then attract tax relief at 20%, making your contribution worth £3,600. Now, let's assume that you make that contribution each year until your grandchild reaches 18. Let's also assume that that pot of money grows at 5% net of costs, net of charges. By the time they reach 18, your grandchild's pension pot will be worth £106,340. But if that money was left to continue to grow, well, it kind of needs to be because it's in a pension pot, it would benefit from compounding until, let's say, your grandchild reaches 65. Using the same growth assumptions, that 5%, the pension pot would be worth over £1,053,000, making your grandchild a millionaire. To find out more about Junior SIPPs and whether it's right for you, check out my video on investing for grandchildren. Thanks so much for checking out my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. I'm Justin King. I'm a chartered and certified financial planner. My aim is to help people live successful lives, and that often involves understanding your money. I host a podcast called the Retirement Cafe Podcast. You might like to tune into that. Check out the description below or sign up for my weekly newsletter, which is packed full of inspiration and tips for a successful retirement. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please press the like button to help more people like you find my channel. For now, I'm Justin King, helping you live your best life.